we were most impressed with the Stax team for three reasons. The first of which, the combination of business and technology expertise. The second was around the private equity orientation and roots of Stax. It's a group of people who understand what it's like to be in the trenches and the pressures that come with private equity, especially the need for pragmatism, flexibility, and hard work. The third reason, the partnership. The Stax team did a really good job of using unbiased scoring methodologies, kind of letting the data speak for itself. And the Stax team did a really nice job of finding external databases that allowed us to plug some of the holes in the gaps, so we didn't have to do, line by line by line by line, manual mapping. There's certainly some of that, but the Stax team was able to really supercharge our ability to get more insight into the data quicker than had we done it the brute force way. I think this will give us a competitive advantage to have, in a way, to understand, the businesses that we're operating with in this B2B environment, maybe better than some of our customers. And ultimately, as we grow and likely do acquisitions in the future, being able to integrate them into this common way of looking at the market and the business will be, important and help to accelerate the post-merger integration process with any new companies that we bring into the Tecomet family. Last week, our CEO said to me that he's now fully convinced of the need for master data management. And so I think, kind of across the company, we're turning skeptics into believers. And it's really powerful to just see the groundswell for data-driven decision-making.